JT Wilcox, back. Ball predictions. I balled. I switched from the gray, went back to the red. It's all good. I'm a little superstitious, but I'm not worried about it. 47 games this week. Had a great week last week, only lost 6. I'm hoping to cut that in half this week. Jumping right into it. Game of the week. The granddaddy of them all in Broward County this year. I couldn't wait. I circled this one as soon as I saw the schedule come out. Flanagan Falcons, Miramar Patriots at Flanagan Friday night. We'll all be there. It's going to be a great one. Defense, defense, defense. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see this game. Devin Bush and that defense. I'm talking about Junior, the linebacker, and the coach. They feed off of him. Of course, the dark side defense has been great all year long. Points will be at a premium in my estimation. It's going to come down to quarterback play in these kind of tight matchups with great defenses. Which quarterback? I'm talking about Ryan Stanley for the Dirty Birds. Talking about Damari Simpkins for the Patriots. Which one of these guys can limit their mistakes and help lead this team to a victory where it will be hard to put points up on the board? My prediction, Falcons 20, Patriots 16. I'm taking the Dirty Birds to win the first one. This probably will be the first 2 matchups, so I can't wait for this one. Next one we're talking about, another big-time district matchup, American Patriots, Miami Springs Golden Hawks. This one's going to come down to coaching. Great coaching staffs on both sides for both of these teams. It's going to be a big-time chess match. Miami Springs comes in undefeated, but some people think that they haven't been truly tested yet. This will be a big test. American, one-loss team. They lost a tough one to South Dade a couple of weeks ago, but they're rolling now. So I think that the Patriots continue that roll. They continue the dominance in this district. American wins 33, Miami Springs 24. Go Pates. Last one talking about district matchup yet again. Major playoff implications in this one because of what's happened in the past. Talking about Hollandale and Dillard, big-time rivals. The Chargers are finally looking like they're going to put everything together. But this is going to be the week to really show it because Dillard has had their number the past couple of years. So it's going to be a big test for Coach Jones. Larry put the bullseye on his team saying that it was playoffs or bust for Hollandale. So this will be a major step in the right direction going up against a Hollandale team that is going to be hungry for a victory. I think Hollandale does it. They exercise some demons that they had against this team. I say Hollandale wins this one by 10. And for the rest of the picks, read the story below.